Hey guys, so are y'all tired of chicken yet? I'm not, so let's get started. Alright, so today I'm making some stewed chicken. I'm not gonna say it's from Jamaica, Trinidad, whatever. This is just stewed chicken. If it reminds you where you came from, cool, so be it. That's just a disclaimer, guys, because I clearly don't have all the ingredients I need. So I'm adding some allspice berries. To this, I'm gonna add some Jamaica Choice chicken seasoning down in here. Make sure you season your chicken real nice and lovely. I'm also going to add some poultry seasoning to this. This is only going to be marinating for maybe 2 hours, so I really want to pump some flavor down in here. Some paprika. Also the the herbs and spices go last minute, like the peppers and onions. So right now I'm just seasoning up the chicken. Then you're going to add some Grace Brown in. My bottle fell on me and it's a mess, so I had to hold it with paper towel. So you want to put some Grace Brown in down here to give your chicken. This actually also gives your chicken flavor. A lot of people don't believe it. It actually does. Then you're going to add some salt. Watch your salt. Make sure you watch your salt. Someone asked me what kind of salt is that I'm using because it looked pink. It's pink salt. And that was a ½ teaspoon of salt. Mix it up and allow it to marinate. Alright, you guys, so we have peppers, onions, ginger, and thyme. We're going to add this to the chicken. Alright, so now I'm just going to take the peppers. I still have yet to add any liquid to this because I don't need it. I covered it once I added it to my pot and it made its own juice. So I'm going to cover it after I add these vegetables. It's still going to accumulate more juices. If yours need more juice, you need to add chicken stock, preferably. However, you can also add water. But preferably, I prefer chicken stock, chicken broth, vegetable broth. Something with flavor besides just flat out water. Stir this up. Cover it and allow it to simmer until it's nice and tender, falling off, juicy, gravy nice and thick, and it's done. So easy and simple. Alright, you guys, so my chicken is nice and done. I have serving it up with some rice and cucumbers. You can serve it up with whatever you want to. Let me get up in here. Yum. Oh, the gravy's nice and thick. I didn't do anything to get the gravy thick. I just kept reducing it until it got thick and delicious. Ooh. Get some gravy so y'all could really see. That's the gravy right here. Babe likes gravy on his rice. So basically I'm breaking the rules right now by putting on the chicken. He like it on the rice. These spoiled men, guys. But anyway, let me clean this up and show you guys what it looks like. Oh, okay. Yeah, so this is the stewed chicken, rice, and cucumbers. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this recipe, my ingredients will be in the description box. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.